6 steps for avoiding stress during the novel coronavirus outbreak. Number 1 step. It is normal to feel sad, stressed, confused, scared, or angry during a crisis. Contact your friends and family, and talking to people you trust can help. If you must stay at home, maintain a healthy lifestyle, including proper diet, sleep, exercise, and social contacts with loved ones at home and by email and phone with other family and friends. Do not use smoking, alcohol, or other drugs to deal with your emotions. If you feel overwhelmed, talk to a health worker or counselor. Have a plan where to go and how to seek help for physical and mental health. Get the facts, gather information that will help you accurately determine your risk so that you can take reasonable precautions. Sources can be WHO website or a local or a state public health agency. Limit worry and agitation by lessening the time you and your family spend watching or listening to media coverage that you perceive as upsetting. Draw on skills you have used in the past that have helped you to manage previous life's adversities, and use those skills to help you manage your emotions during the challenging time of outbreak. I hope these steps will help you to reduce your anxiety and stress.